what's up? Hope y'all, it's your boy Molly. Got another Gotrax scooter. Doesn't make sense. I'm having a hard time maneuvering. Let's get this out. Yeah, it's also one kind of talk a little low. Because my mom has to take some calls. Before first use, please fully charge your scooter. The scooter is fully charged when the light. Usually these scooters come in charged. So if this is the first electric item that came in uncharged, at least for me, that would be a little surprising. But it probably is charged. I'm just asking to fully charge it because it's probably not fully charged. Use your charging cable. This cable is way too long. After I get this out the box, I'm probably gonna pull my brother's Gotrax Ultra out, and it's not fully charged, so trying to do like a test, or at least my own type of test of just feeling the way these drive. If one has more torque than the other, which I expect the Ultra to have more torque since it has 300 watts. I mean 300 or 350. This one is 250. The only thing to do now is, I guess, I don't know, talk about the specs. Kickstand, obviously, folded mechanism. I'm gonna show you how that works in just a minute. I like the black look of this, I really do. So this is the V2, the Gotrax V2, V2 something with a V2. I can't exactly remember. Oh, it's GXL V2. That's right. Okay. It's the older version of the Ultra XR. So this is sitting on 250 watts. One motor in the front. Your battery sits here. Usually your electric scooter, your battery is in the board. Nah, they wouldn't go special with it. They put it here, which I actually kind of like. If I didn't get that crazy thing over there, I wanted to get the I wanted to get the Gotrax Ultra XR, which is the newer version. But besides that, it's about the same. I could have sworn the older version, unless that was the V1, it had like a brake thing right here. I guess they changed that as well. And that's when it has this, and that's when they pass that on to the GXL and the yada yada yada. So under here is where you charge. You turn it on by this button, your throttle, your thumb throttle. Thumb throttle feels nice. The display screen being right here. And turn this thing on. See if it has battery, because they have a little paper saying you need to fully charge it. Unless they're saying that because it's charged, but it's not fully charged. I hope it's charged, because I just wanna. I'm a little scared to take it outside because this neighborhood has a lot of bugs. Bugs for the nighttime and bugs for the morning. What I mean by that is, as of the current morning, you have wasps and bees flying around. Yesterday or 2 days ago, I encountered a wasp. I flew right under the wasp, moving so fast in the scooter right here. So, yeah. But let's turn this thing on. There we go. We are charged. It's already fully charged. It has 4 bars and everything. So, yep, just like the Ultra XR, this is a kick to start. So, when you hit the throttle, this is not just going to start. You have to give it some speed, and then it starts. So, let's see if I can attempt to rush it forward, and then I wasn't fast enough at all. It's not easy to do with one arm. I'm still not going fast. There we go. They just gave us a max speed of 15 flat miles per hour. Alright. So that's about it. Unless I do a drive test on this thing, there's nothing else to really show. Oh wait, okay, one more. Actually, there is one more thing to show. It comes with this, I guess, for if you need to pump your tires and the tube and the tires are too short, I guess, and you need something to extend it out. You fold it by. This is already out, but you fold it by pulling this out. You gotta pull it out and then twist it. Crap. Yeah, you pull it out and twist it like that, and it sticks out a little bit, and then you push this down. But you gotta be careful a little bit. Well, this one actually didn't jolt downwards. The Ultra will jolt downwards. Now I don't know about folding that, because when it was unboxed, couldn't get that off, so I'm not gonna fold that up. But you see how it works. And now I think that is about it, because that's all the specs I know. I don't even remember how heavy of a person that the screws can fit. I think it was 220. The Ultra is 220, so this might be somewhere around 200, seeing that its motors are just a little bit weaker. But yeah, that's really it. Oh, I'm forgetting things. Once you turn this on, you click it, just turn your front light on, and then you click it again and turn it off, and then you hold the button to turn the scooter off. It has a cruise control, just like the Ultra. So for a certain amount of time, when you're holding this down, you're accelerating. You don't even have to hold it anymore. It just goes, and then it'll stop once you hit the brake. It'll stop cruise control once you hit the brake, and of course it'll brake as well. So, yeah, that's everything. All right. So as we pull up, we have here the Gotrax Ultra. Oh no, not the Ultra. The V2. Is that what we're looking at right here? Going for a test spin. Oh yeah, this is definitely not as torquey as the Ultra is, but it's not packing. It's packing about 50 watts less, so it is a bit expected. Yeah, it's working, of course, but it's not pulling me forward like the Ultra will. And I'm super lightweight, so anybody at a heavier weight, I definitely think it'll still handle you, but you're not just gonna go off. I will say what I like about these little scooters is the hard turns you can really do and put on these things. Now we're gonna watch my mom coast off on this as I'm on
I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm about to try. With mail in my hand.
I don't know how I'm gonna. I need to tighten my light up. Shaking all over the place. Alright, I hope y'all can see her. It's a little dark out here. My mom's like 150 pounds, I think. 5'4". 150 pounds, 5'4". So she's much heavier than me. I'm just flimsy. There she is right there. Be coasting right now. I'm doing about 13. She's up there, so she might be doing like 14, unless we're doing the same speed. About 4. Oh man, I'm shifting away.
That's not too fast for me.
All right, bam. There goes the test ride.